Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add developer option in MS Word. So now click on Word, open it. After opening, come to the blank document. Now as you can see, here a category of different tabs are here, but here is no single option for developer. Now we want to add a developer option in this window here because developer is very advanced, very helpful while adding some videos and whatever. So without wasting time, come to the file option, click on this section options. After options, this interface will appear. Then come to the customize ribbon here, customize ribbon, and in the bottom side here you will see the word developer here. Click on this and after it press OK. Now you see developer is adding here by default. Now it has become a part of Word, MS Word. Now click on this. Now we see how it works here. Now these are the sub tools for developer here. For example, if I want to add a window media player and if I want to run a video in MS Word, then what I will do, click on developer, and after clicking developer, come to this section here, legacy tools, insert an ActiveX control or form control. Click on this and come to this last one, more controls. Then a new window will appear. Come to the bottom side here, and in the very bottom side, third last, you will see window media player. Click on OK and OK. Now this is a window media icon, or by default it open into it, but now I want to play a video on this. Now click right on the mouse, come to the properties, then in this side come to this custom option, click on this. After clicking, click these three lines here, then a new window will appear, new interface will appear. Now you can write the name or URL of your video. Otherwise, you can simply redirect to your PC by clicking on browse for a video you want to add here. Click on browse. After browse, it will directly go into your PC's videos. Now just like I want to add this video, click on this, click on open, then finally come to don't forget to come to this advanced option. After clicking on it, in this you have to enable this windowless video, because this is very important. If we do not do this, then our video is unable to play. Click on this. After this, finally click OK, and here you see a design mode. It is black, so we have to we have to redo or undo it so that our video is able to play. Click on this. Now you can see video is being started here. So this was a demo to how to add developer, and after developer how to use its tools, and simply how to add a video in your MS file where it is necessary. Hope you find it helpful, beneficial. Subscribe us, follow for more.